All right, guys, here we go. Lesson 18. So lesson 18 is going to be building on lesson 17. So basic facts and rounding. Remember, when we see the word approximate, that means we are rounding. Okay. So let's just do a few here. Should be rather quick. Let's look at B. I have 2,659 divided by 28. Now we're estimating, so don't forget that. I'm going to look at 28. I'm going to round that to 30. So now I'm going to look at this 3. Basic facts, guys, right? And I look at 26. And I think, what's a multiple of 26? I'm sorry, what's a multiple of 3 that's around 26? Now, it can be above or it can be below. So don't be like, well, it's got to be 30. Well, it could be 30, it could be 3,000, but is there a multiple closer? And when I look at 26, you know your multiples, it's 27. So it's 2,700. So my basic factors are 27 divided by 3, which is 9. I can divide by 10 here, and 100 divided by 10 is 10, so I get rid of 1 0. I'm left with 90. Let's look at another one. Okie dokie. Let's look at this one. Let's go 64. That's going to round to 60. So here's my basic fact, 6. Now, think of 25. What is a multiple of 6 that's around 25? Again, you can go above, you can go below. Yeah, you could say, well, it's 3,000. However, there's something closer. It's 24, because 6 times 4 is 24. So it's 6,000. I'm sorry, it's 2,400. My basic factors are 24 divided by 6, because that's what I'm using. Basic facts. That's a 4 divided by 10. Divide by 10. You're left with 40. Okay, guys? Next problem. Number 3. Janice bought 28 apps for a phone. Altogether, they used 1,348 megabytes of space. If each app used the same amount of space, about how many megabytes of memory did each app use? Show your estimated. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 1,348 divided by 28. And I'm going to round 28 to 30. And now here's my basic fact, 3. Here's my number, 13. What is a basic factor of, what's a multiple of 3 that's around 13? Well, it's 12. Again, the better you know your multiplication facts, the better you'll be. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Divide by 10 here, divide by 10, you're left with 1 0. So about how much megabytes? 40 megabytes per app. Okay. Oh, sorry. Oh, out. What was that? Let's see if I can get rid of that. Okay. Hold on. Yeah, no, hold on. Of space. Okay. Now, if half of the apps were free and the other half were $1.99, about how much did she spend? So if it says, if half of the apps were free, so 28 divided by 2 is 14. So 14 apps equals free. And the other half were $1.99 each. About how much did she spend? Well, 14 apps are free. That means 14 apps times $1.99. Now it says about. So I don't need to, multiply the standard algorithm. I can just round it. So 14 times $2 is about $28 for the 14 apps. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Look at the flow chart. See what you're doing. Bye.